Ever feel like your digital life is a chaotic mess? Spending precious hours hunting for files or battling endless email threads? What if you could reclaim that time, boost your efficiency, and truly master your digital workspace? Get ready to unlock peak productivity as we dive deep into the cloud services that are revolutionizing how professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts get things done. In today's fast-paced world, cloud services are no longer just about storage. They're sophisticated ecosystems designed to streamline every aspect of your workflow. From seamless collaboration to intelligent automation, these platforms are essential tools for anyone looking to maximize their output. They empower you to work smarter, not just harder. Imagine a world where your files are always accessible, your team is perfectly synced, and deadlines are met with ease. This isn't a futuristic dream. It's the reality offered by the right cloud solutions. We're talking about transforming your daily grind into a smooth, efficient operation, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a global enterprise. But here's the catch. The market is flooded with options. Google, Microsoft, Dropbox, Notion, Slack, Asana. The list seems endless. This paradox of choice can be incredibly overwhelming, leading to analysis paralysis instead of productivity gains. How do you cut through the noise? Choosing the wrong service can add more friction than it removes. You might end up with disorganized files, fragmented communication, or missed deadlines, all while paying for another monthly subscription. Our goal today is to demystify this landscape, helping you pinpoint the exact tools that will solve your specific productivity challenges. Let's quickly break down the leading players in the cloud productivity arena. Each offers unique strengths, catering to different needs and workflows. Understanding these distinctions is key to making an informed decision for your digital toolkit. Google Workspace stands out for its real-time co-authoring capabilities. It's a powerhouse for seamless document creation and sharing, making team projects incredibly fluid. Its intuitive interface and robust suite of apps are a favorite among many. Microsoft 365 offers unparalleled integration with the world's most popular Office suite. For businesses deeply embedded in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, its ecosystem provides a familiar and powerful environment. Enterprise-grade security is also a major draw. Dropbox remains a king of fast, reliable file syncing and sharing. While it has expanded into collaboration tools like Dropbox Paper, its core strength lies in its simplicity and efficiency for file management across devices. It's perfect for quick, secure file transfers. Notion has emerged as a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace. It's a dynamic platform for notes, tasks, databases, and project management, allowing for incredible customization. Individuals and creative teams often find its adaptability revolutionary. Notion empowers users to build their ideal digital environment from scratch. Its block-based editor and extensive template library make it a versatile tool for everything from personal planning to complex team wikis. It truly redefines what a productivity app can be. After rigorous analysis and hands-on testing, 3 services consistently rise to the top for achieving maximum productivity. These aren't just apps, they're comprehensive solutions designed to elevate your work. Let's count them down. Notion secures our third spot for its incredible adaptability as an all-in-one workspace. It's a game-changer for individuals, startups, and creative teams who need a highly customizable platform. Its ability to morph into whatever you need, a CRM, a project tracker, a personal journal, is simply unmatched. Notion empowers you to design your perfect workflow, integrating notes, tasks, and databases seamlessly. This flexibility means you can tailor it precisely to your unique needs, making it an incredibly powerful tool for personalized productivity. It's a true digital Swiss Army knife. Microsoft 365 takes the second position, standing as the undisputed champion in the corporate world. Its deep integration between Teams, Outlook, and the classic Office apps is unmatched for enterprise-level collaboration and communication. For organizations already invested in Microsoft's ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. The robust security features and compliance standards of Microsoft 365 also make it a preferred choice for large businesses. It provides a comprehensive, secure, and familiar environment that drives efficiency across vast teams. It's built for scale and reliability. And the #1 cloud service for overall productivity is Google Workspace. Its speed, simplicity, and flawlessly intuitive real-time collaboration make it the most efficient ecosystem for the modern workforce. It's designed for instant access and seamless teamwork. Google Workspace excels in breaking down barriers to collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on documents simultaneously without friction. Its cloud-native design ensures accessibility from anywhere, on any device, making it the ultimate tool for dynamic teams and individuals alike. Let's zoom in on why Google Workspace consistently takes the top spot for productivity. Its intuitive interface, Seamless integration across apps and powerful AI-driven features create an unparalleled user experience. It's more than just a collection of apps. It's a cohesive digital environment. Gmail's smart features. Beyond just email, Gmail offers Smart Compose and Priority Inbox, intelligently helping you manage your communications. These AI-powered tools predict your text and prioritize important messages, saving you valuable time every day. Google Calendar's efficiency. Scheduling is a breeze with Google Calendar's intelligent assistant and direct integration with Google Meet. It helps you find optimal meeting times and instantly sets up video conferences, reducing administrative overhead. Real-time collaboration in Drive. Google Drive is where the magic truly happens. Real-time co-authoring in docs, sheets, and slides transforms team projects. You see edits as they happen, fostering immediate feedback and accelerating project completion. Google Meet for seamless communication. High-quality video conferencing with features like live captions, background blur, and breakout rooms makes virtual meetings effective. It ensures clear communication and engagement no matter where your team is located. Google Chat for focused teamwork. Create dedicated spaces for projects and teams within Google Chat. This centralizes communication, file sharing, and task management, keeping everyone on the same page and reducing email clutter. It's a hub for focused discussions. Choosing a cloud service isn't just about features, it's about trust. Security is paramount, especially when handling sensitive data. Google Workspace offers robust, enterprise-grade security features designed to protect your information at every level. This includes advanced data encryption, both in transit and at rest, ensuring your files are always protected. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, while advanced threat protection actively guards against phishing and malware. Google's commitment to privacy and compliance with global regulations like GDPR provides peace of mind. So while the best service ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you're a corporate professional, a creative student, or a tech-savvy entrepreneur, choosing from our top 3 is a guaranteed way to boost your efficiency and reclaim your valuable time. Remember to assess your team's specific requirements and your budget before making your final decision. These tools are designed to empower you, not overwhelm you. By integrating the right cloud services into your daily routine, you're not just adopting new software, you're investing in a more productive, organized, and stress-free future. It's time to take control of your digital workspace. What are your favorite cloud services for getting things done? Which tools have truly transformed your workflow? Share your top picks and productivity hacks in the comments below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech reviews and practical productivity tips. Don't miss our next video on the top 5 productivity hacks for 2025. You won't want to miss it. Let's build a more productive future together.